Hello, welcome to Calculated Education. Today we're going to be taking a look at an ACT math practice question. In this case, we want to take a look at what is the greatest common factor of 42, 126, and 210. So a factor is the greatest number that each of those values, 42, 126, and 210, is divisible by. Now when we're given big numbers like this, I always like to do this test method where I take the smallest number, so in this case 42, and I see can 42 go into 126 and 210? Because 42 I know is a factor of itself because I can do 42 times 1, and that's going to get me 42. So how many times can 42 go into 126? So I can do 126 divided by 42. That's going to be equal to 3. So we know that 42 is a factor of 126 because it gives us a whole number here. So it'd be 42 times 3. And then let's see if 210 divisible by 42, that's going to be equal to 5. So in this case, our greatest common factor is going to be 42. That's going to be our answer. Let's say, for example, that didn't work. Right? If we didn't have 42 as our answer, we would factor out like 1 times 42. 2 can go into 42 21 times, etc. Right? We would do that for each one of our factors, and we'd see which one is the greatest out of each one. But that's it for Calculated Education. If you want to see your questions answered or want any additional tutoring, do not hesitate to email calculatededucation@gmail.com.